Hello folks, today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on this 2023 Puma 31Qbbh. Right off the bat you're going to notice the graphics have been refreshed. They look pretty good. You are going to have the power tongue jack. This is dual entry, pass-through storage. The outdoor kitchen is phenomenal. You got everything you need here. You got a microwave, storage, good sized fridge, gray stone griddle, exterior ladder, roof access, spare tire. It's just 2 slides. Nice large windows. Looks good for this year. Let's go ahead and hop on inside. So entering this camper, right to your right, you're going to have a lot of storage here for odds and ends. And as you can see, Puma went with a light birch look for this wood in here. It looks really nice, really clean. Spacious kitchen. So you have your fireplace on cool nights, IRV technology, quick setup for a TV, Bluetooth. Do have an oven, 3-top burner, nice large sink, and again, pretty good with storage in the kitchen for items that you might have. Really like the spice rack here that they added. "12-volt refrigerator. U-shaped dinette is a really good size. You have storage underneath the sofa, and that will drop down into a bed if you need it to. Go in the bedroom here. Nice end tables for drinks, books, pictures, wardrobes, his and her side, access straight outside. And the bunkhouse. Again, this is very spacious as well, and you get additional storage on closet for the kids. This does lift up. A ladder, more storage over here, the bunk, 2 windows in here, which makes it nice for getting natural light indoors. Bathroom here, medicine cabinet, toothbrush holders, nice size shower with the skylight, and right outside the bunkhouse, we have even more storage. This is a popular layout, as you can see why. It's practical for any size family. And it really just looks good for this year. Stop by Coleman's RV and check it out for yourself.